that, guys, I do want to talk about something that happens regularly, and it's the quality of the documents that you give when you're in the marketplace. Uh, the black and white copies, not we're trying to save a nickel because you don't want to order the consumer sheets and all of that, so you try and run and get them copied. Or you're not using your legal shield folders. And I understand that you got to look at the budget, but make sure that you look professional, because when you're in the game of benefits, especially, you're going in, and yes, the representative that's doing Allstate, and they got all of their Allstate materials, and yes, Allstate pays for it for them. But the reality is we have to compare and compete in those markets. So make sure that your literature is produced properly. You get it through the associate store, because that's the best financial way to do it, as well as get them customized properly. Order your business cards from the store, the associate store. Please, I know you got some great friends that do desktop publishing. I know you do, but they don't have the licensing to do our logos. They don't have the licensing to do stuff, our color matches. So please use professional things in the business market.
Well, and to that point, James,